Hi, I'm so hot. Don't be jealous because I'm so pretty.
Who are you?
I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. You gotta go fast. Right?
Never heard of ya.
I know that you're secretly jealous of me.
Enough.
Come on, don't be jealous because I'm so pretty.
You think you're so cool.
Yeah.
But can't you do this?
What was that?
I don't have any idea.
Oh, I can do that. Watch. What are we doing?
I don't know.
It's so incredibly dumb.
I need to get moving.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Start engine.
Let me try. Fail.
Are you okay? Ooh! Pile!
Death. Hot and hot.
Sonic, you were supposed to be dead.
Oh. Oh, wait.
Me too? So am I!
You too, Tails. Yeah, whatever. Sticks? No way. Sticks. Okay.
All around me are familiar faces.
So horrible.
Worn out.
I'm going to the library.
First things first. When talking to women, you gotta go fast. Don't go slowly. Now, if you do go slow, be fast and always go fastly and always demonstrate your fastness. Going fast is cool. Can't be slow. Born to run fast. You know how it is. Gotta go fast every time.
Play it slow.
Flying is gonna know what
Actually, I'm not sure what I want. Should I have a burger? Or 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 a burger? I know. I have a burger. But should I have a burger? Or a burger? Or a burger? Or a burger? Should I have a burger? Or a burger? Or a burger? Or a burger? Burger?
Death! Have death! Everyone loves death!
I have the burger. But should I have a hot burger? Or
Here.
This is myself.
So.
It's me!
So.
And it's still alive? I'm a woman!
So.
Ugh! Who's ready for killing? I'm about to teach Dave the intern a lesson he'll never forget. I made this myself.
Ah, so it's an anus burger. See, I took the original name and I did a clever twist on it using your butt.
That's awful! I just thought it was not clever, Sonic.
You're fired.
Wait, what?
You, my nemesis, are fired.
That's awful!
Stop saying that!
Sonic the Hedgehog, are you stupid? You're horrible! You deserve awful things! I'm gonna kill Knuckles.
Hey!
You're fat.
Why would you say that?
I'm yelling words!
Bam!
What are you doing?
A very sophisticated beat that requires merciless aggression!
Amy Rose. Yo, mom is stupid.
Hey! I'm not stupid.
Good night, you lousy robot.
Yo, Mom, this ugly.
Since I just crushed you. Victory flip! Have you guys noticed that it's been a really slow week?
What if stuff's happening and we're just not a part of it? I've always found the other window better for plotting to kill Amy.
Looks like she's setting up for a date.
A date? Stop looking at me. What's going on, Amy?
Nothing. I'm a weenie.
Potatoes!
California.
Ah! That guy stole my poop.
Did not. We traded your poop for a piece of cake.
No.
Okay. How about this? I'll throw in my kids. You have no children.
All around me are familiar faces.
How about I'll throw in my enormous bots?
No.
And tell you what, same deal. See, the offer's better already. I'll see you next week. Say, right after I blow up my rumpet.
I intend to prove that Mr. Suck maliciously licked my client, Dr. Mike Man. Isn't it true that Dr. Agnes Man was licked by Mr. Head while taking a leak?
You must be destroyed!
Mr. Is it? Would you describe Dr. Eggman's Agnes? No.
Now, I'm just a simple rock, just like you good kittens. I know how this works. I've seen hot kittens who work on the radio, where they sometimes bail me out of jail. So tell me, Dr. Potatoes, is it? Is Sonic capable of doing simple things like becoming this sandwich? No, Sonic is way too lame to become the sandwich.
Hey, I'm totally capable of becoming a sandwich. Watch. Boom! Comically large sandwich. Knuckles. Hey, Knuckles.
My mouth feels like it's lunchtime. I'm a giant sandwich man. I'm a giant sandwich man.
No, Knuckles.
Heart attack!
And now for Sonic Boom! See, Scene 2.
I can destroy anything with my no scope.
What's a no scope?
This is a no scope.
Turn down for what?
I'm serious and formidable.
I'm so bored. Boom!
Hey, what is up guys? Peter here. Thanks a ton for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to give it a like to let me know. I upload videos like this almost every day, so go ahead and subscribe if you're into that kind of a thing. If you want to contact me directly or stay up to date with upcoming videos, check out my social medias. The links to those are in the description. Now I leave you with this music from DJ Basebox28, who provides most of the music for my videos. You can check him out in the description or by clicking the annotation to the left. Thanks again for watching, and as always, have yourselves a wonderful day.